Hello and welcome to SAYED'S Biology. In this video, the respiratory system will be discussed in brief for an overall idea. The respiratory system is responsible for the exchange of gases between the body and the environment. It is made up of a complex network of organs, tissues, and structures that work together to allow oxygen to enter the body and carbon dioxide to be removed. Upper respiratory tract. The upper respiratory tract consists of the nasal cavity, pharynx, and larynx. Nasal cavity. The nasal cavity is the entry point for air into the respiratory system. It is lined with mucous membranes that help to warm and moisten the air as it enters the body. The nasal cavity also contains small hairs called cilia that help to filter out dust, pollen, and other particles. Pharynx. The pharynx is a muscular tube that connects the nasal cavity and mouth to the larynx and esophagus. It plays an important role in both the respiratory and digestive systems. Larynx. The larynx, also known as the voice box, is located at the top of the trachea. It is responsible for producing sound and preventing food and liquid from entering the lungs.